Hare Krishna. Welcome to Govardhan Eco Village. Here we are today in this beautiful Vrindävana Forest at Giriraj Govardhan. Right here at Radha, we have Srila Raghunath Goswami's Samadhi. Today is Panihati Chida Dahi festival, a celebration of the pastime of Srila Raghunath Goswami and Lord Nityananda Prabhu at the banks of the Ganga in Panihati. Raghunath Goswami was a great devotee of the Lord. One day at Panihati, Lord Nityananda Prabhu was sitting under a banyan tree surrounded by many devotees. Raghunath Goswami was hesitant to approach the Lord and hence paid obeisances from a distance. Nityananda Prabhu noticed Raghunath Goswami and said, "Raghunath, you are hiding like a thief. Now I have caught you and I shall punish you today." Then Nityananda Prabhu forcibly caught hold of Raghunath Goswami and put his lotus feet on his head. He ordered Raghunath Das to celebrate a Chida Dahi festival and serve all the devotees. Raghunath Goswami immediately arranged for an ecstatic feast of yogurt and chipped rice with other nectar foodstuffs. This transcendental pastime, although scenes of punishment, was an opportunity for Raghunath Goswami to serve and please all the devotees. Hare Krishna.